In this lesson, we're going to talk about equations that can have one solution, many solutions, or no solution. The equations that we've been working with so far have been one solution, where x equals a number, like x is equal to 3. That would be one solution. We can come across equations that have no solution. When that happens, what we see as our final product would be something like 1 is equal to 0. Well, we know that 1 and 0 are not equal to each other, so this would be no solution. So that would be true if the equation ended with 2 equals 3 or 7 equals 50. We know that those are not the same numbers, so they're not equal. The other kind of equation we can see is many solutions. So anytime you get an equation with many solutions, the number will equal itself. So you'll get something like 2 equals 2, or 3 equals 3, or 10 equals 10. Whatever the numbers may be, for many solutions, it's going to equal at the end. And what many solutions mean is that any number can be substituted in for x, and you'll come out with a correct answer. So that means any number. All right, we're going to start solving this multi-step equation. The first thing we need to do is distribute. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, plus 10. And then we're going to do 2 times 3x, which is 6x, and then 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8. Now I can combine like terms when they're on the same side of the equal sign. So negative 18 plus 10 would be negative 8 equals, I'm just copying this down here. So I'm going to start by adding 8 to both sides. These will cancel. 6x equals, these will cancel here, 6x. So divide by 6, divide by 6, x is equal to x. In this case, we know that x is equal to x. It's the same exact variable. So our answer would be many solutions. In order to test this, we can choose any number to substitute in for x, and it should work out. So I'm going to start by checking the number 2. Let's say x is equal to 2. I'm going to substitute that in. 3 times 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 3 here is negative 1. So 6 times negative 1 plus 10 equals 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 plus 10 equals 4. Negative 6 plus 10 equals 4. So 4 is equal to 4, so that makes our statement true that there are many solutions. So let's try another number to test this statement. Let's try the number 10. So every time I see x, I'm going to put in the number 10. 10 minus 3 plus 10 here, and then 2 times 3 times 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 3 is 7. And then I'm going to do what's inside the parentheses. 3 times 10 is 30, minus 4 is 26. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 26 is 52. And then 42 plus 10 is 52. So again, 52 equals 52, which says our statement's true. X could be equal to 10. We could keep checking numbers, but we're going to get the same conclusion. Any number we enter in for x is going to work itself out in this equation because there are many solutions. Now we're going to solve this equation. Start by distributing. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16x. 4 times 3 is 12. Oops, 12. Let me erase that real quick. So 4 times 3 is 12. There we go. 4 times negative 5x would be negative 20x. plus 4x. Now I've got to combine like terms. So on the right side, negative 20x plus 4x is negative 16x. 32 minus 16x over here. So I'm going to add 16x to both sides. These will cancel. 32 equals, oh, and these will cancel as well. So 32 is equal to 12. Does 32 equal 12? No. So again, our solution is no solution. There is no number that I can put in for x that would get a correct answer for this equation. There's really nothing to check on this problem because x is not equal to anything. Any number we put in for x is going to come out with a no solution answer. So we are done on this problem. There is no solution. Please complete these two practice problems in your notebook.